Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question on quantitative aptitude topic numbers. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. These topics are useful for all competitive exams like bank PO, railways, SSC CGL and many government job exams and interviews. These videos are extremely useful for all entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and many more. In this video, we are finding unit digit in questions of math solution. Our question is, find the unit digit of 524 to the power 312 multiplied by 327 to the power 201 multiplied by 32 to the power 324 multiplied by 629 to the power 235. The given options are option A 4, option B 8, option C 6, option D 3. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As we have to find the unit digit in the given question, we will consider only unit digit of each constituent number. The first number is 524 to the power 312. So we will take only the ones place digit or unit digit, which is 4, and it has the power 312. We divide this power by 4. For that, we will only divide the last two digits of the number 312, and 12 when divided by 4, it divides completely. So we will take the power 4, not 0. We will take the remainder 4, not 0. So it will be 4 to the power 4 multiplied by 327 has ones place digit or unit digit 7. So we write 7. And we divide the power 201 by 4, as we know that when the unit digit is 7, it repeats itself after every fourth power, and 201 when divided by 4 leaves the remainder 1. So we write 7 to the power 1, as we know that 4 divides 200 for 50 times and 201 minus 200 is 1, multiplied by 32 to the power 324. So we write unit digit 2 and 324. 24 is divisible by 4 for 6 times. The remainder is 0, but we will take the remainder as 4. So it is 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 629. We take the unit digit of 629, which is 9. And we divide the power 235 by 4. So we have to divide only 35, the last two digits. And 8 times 4 is 32. 35 minus 32 is 3. 4 to the power 4 is 256. So we write 6, the unit digit of 256. 7 to the power 1 is 7. Multiplied by 2 to the power 4 is 16. And ones place of 16 is 6, or unit digit of 16 is 6. So we write 6 multiplied by 9 to the power 3. And we know that 9 to the power 3 is 729, and ones place of 729 is 9. Special property about 4 and 9. When the power of 4 is odd, it is 4. And when the power of 4 is even, it is 6. The unit digit is 6. Here 4 to the power 4 is even. So ones place of the 4 to the power 4 will be 6. Similarly in 9, when the power of 9 is odd, it is 9. And when it is even, it is 1. Here 9 to the power 3 is odd. So it is going to give the ones place digit as 9. Now 6 times 7 is 42, and ones place of 42 is 2. We multiplied that 2 to the next digit 6. 6 times 2 is 12 and ones place digit of 12 is 2 again. We multiplied that 2 with 9. 9 times 2 is 18 and ones place digit of 18 is 8. So our ones place digit of the given question will be 8. And from the given options, our answer is option B. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the digit at ones place of 3 to the power 128 minus 3 to the power 119 plus 3 to the power 218. These all are in one parenthesis multiplied by, in another parenthesis, 7 to the power 133 minus 7 to the power 112 plus 7 to the power 131. The given options are option A 7, option B 6, option C 3, option D 1. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as we have to find the digit at ones place after solving this question. So we will consider only the unit digit or digit at ones place, and the first number is 3 to the power 128. We know that both 3 and 7, if they are in ones place or unit digit, then they repeat itself after every fourth power. So we will consider only fourth power and we will find the remainder of the power after dividing it by 4. So first number is 3 to the power 128. We divide the last two digits by 4. As for finding the remainder, we have only to divide the last two digits. So we will divide 28, which is the last two digits of 128, and this is divisible by 4. 7 times 4 is 28, but we will take the remainder as 4 and we will not take the remainder as 0. Minus 3 to the power 119. We will divide the last two digits of 119 and 19 when divided by 4. 4 times 4 is 16 and 19 minus 16 is 3. So we will write 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 218. We divide the last two digits of 218 by 4. 4 times 4 is 16 and 18 minus 16 is 2. So we will write 3 to the power 2. We have put all these three numbers in one parenthesis or one bracket, and we start the another bracket. 7 to the power 133. We divide the last two digits of 133 by 4. 8 times 4 is 32 and 33 minus 32 is 1. So we write 7 to the power 1 minus 7 to the power 112, and we divide the last two digits of 112 by 4. 4 times 3 is 12 and 12 minus 12 is 0, but we will write it as 4. So we write 7 to the power 4 plus 7 to the power 131. We divide last two digits of 131, which is 31. 7 times 4 is 28. 31 minus 28 is 3. So we write 7 to the power 3 and we close the parenthesis or bracket. As we know, 3 to the power 4 is 81 and one place digit of 81 is 1, minus 3 to the power 3 is 27 and one's place digit of 27 is 7, plus 3 to the power 2 is 9. So we write 9, and in another bracket 7 to the power 1 is 7 minus 7 to the power 4. 7 to the power 2 is 49. So it will be 49 multiplied by 49, and 9 times 9 is 81. So one's place digit will be 1. And 7 to the power 3. 7 times 7 is 49, and we multiply one's place digit of 49, which is 9, by 7 again, and 7 times 9 is 63, and ones place digit of 63 is 3, so we write it 3. This gives us 7 minus 1 plus 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So in first bracket we will get 3, and in another bracket 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, and this gives 3 multiplied by 9, which is 27, and ones place digit of 27 is 7. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 7. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 24 to the power 33 upon 6 to the power 18 plus 12 to the power 19 upon 4 to the power 14. The given options are option A 3, option B 2, option C 1, option D 8. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The number 24 to the power 33 can be written as 4 to the power 33 multiplied by 6 to the power 33 upon 6 to the power 18 plus 12 to the power 19 can be written as 3 to the power 19 multiplied by 4 to the power 19 upon 4 to the power 14. The denominator we have written as it is in both the part of the question. Now this can be written as 4 to the power 33 into 6 to the power 33 minus 18, as the denominator is 6 to the power 18, so we can write it as 6 to the power 33 minus 18 plus 3 to the power 19 into 4 to the power 19 minus 14, as the denominator has 4 to the power 14, so we subtract that power in numerator and we write 4 to the power 19 minus 14. This gives us 4 to the power 33 into 6 to the power 15 plus 3 to the power 19 into 4 to the power 19 minus 14 is 5. Now we divide every power by 4. So 4 to the power 33, for ones place we can divide the power of the number by 4, and whatever is the remainder, that will be the power of the given digit, as we know that the digit repeats itself by every fourth power. So 33 when divided by 4, 4 times 8 is 32, and 33 minus 32 is 1. So it is 4 to the power 1 into, as we know that the digit 6 never changes, whatever may be the power of it. We can show it that 6 to the power 2 is 36. So whatever is the power of 6, the ones place remains itself as 6. So we write it as 6 plus 3 to the power 19. We divide 19 by 4 and remainder will be 3, as 4 times 4 is 16 and 19 minus 16 is 3, into 4 to the power 5 can be written as 4 to the power 1, as 4 times 1 is 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So the ones place digits we get are 4 times 6 is 24, and the ones place digit of 24 is 4, plus 3 times 3, which is 3 to the power 3 is 27, and ones place digit of 27 is 7, and 7 times 4 is 28, and ones place digit of 28 is 8. So this gives ones place digit 4 plus 8 is 12, and in 12 the ones place digit is 2. This way we can easily find the ones place digit. From the given options, our answer is option B, 2. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 1 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 2. This continues up to multiplied by 99 to the power 2. The given options are option A 9, option B 3, option C 5, option D 0. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. This question seems to be difficult, but it is very easy question, as this is the multiplication of square of all odd numbers, and in odd numbers there will be 5, there will be 15, there will be 25, there will be 35, and so many numbers ending with 5. And we know that when any number is multiplied by 5, the ones place is always 5. Hence our answer is very simple, and this is nothing else but 5. And from the given options, our answer will be option C, 5. I hope you have understood the solution. It's very easy question. Whenever anything is multiplied by 5, the ones place digit is always 5. This is the concept behind it. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 123 to the power 325 multiplied by 354 to the power 548 multiplied by 218 to the power 324 multiplied by 729 to the power 235. The given options are option A 6, option B 9, option C 3, option D 2. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as we have to find the units digit. So we will consider only unit digit of the given constituent numbers. The first number is 123 to the power 325. So we will write it as 3, as ones place of 123 is 3. And we know that whenever the ones place is 3, it repeats itself after every fourth power. So we will divide 325 by 4, and whatever will be the remainder, that will be our power. So 325 when divided by 4, so we have only to divide last two digit. 25 when divided by 4, 6 times 4 is 24, and 25 minus 24 is 1. Multiplied by 354 has the ones place digit 4, and we divide the power by 4. So 548 when divided by 4, we will divide last two digits, which are 48, and 48 is divisible by 4. 12 times 4 is 48, but we will write the power not 0, but we will write it as 4. Multiplied by 218, ones place digit is 8, and we will divide the power by 4. 324 when divided by 4, so we will divide 24, the last two digits, and 24 is divisible by 4. 6 times 4 is 24, but we will write the power as 4. Multiplied by 729, the ones place digit of 729 is 9, and we divide the 235 by 4. 35 when divided by 4 leaves the remainder 3, as 8 times 4 is 32, and 35 minus 32 is 3. So 3 to the power 1 is 3, multiplied by 4 to the power 4 is 256, and which has ones place 6, multiplied by 8 to the power 4. Similarly, we can do 8 to the power 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 2. 8 to the power 2 is 64 multiplied by 64, and ones place digit of 64 is 4, and ones place digit of 64 is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, and again we can write it as 6 multiplied by 9 to the power 3 is 729, and ones place digit of 729 is 9. We can easily solve this. If you don't remember that 9 to the power 3 is 729, we can easily solve it. 9 times 9 is 81, and ones place digit of 81 is 1, and we have to again multiply it by 9. So 1 times 9 is 9. That way we can easily find the ones place digit of 9 to the power 3. 6 times 3 is 18, and ones place digit of 18 is 8, and 6 times 9 is 54, and ones place digit of 54 is 4. Now 8 times 4 gives the 32, and ones place digit of 32 is 2. This way we get the ones place digit of given question as 2. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 2. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, if n is a natural number, find unit digit of 225 raised to power 2n multiplied by 94 to the power n. Given options are option A 6, option B 4, option C 5, option D 0. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As we have to find the unit digit, we will consider only the unit digit of the given numbers. 225 raised to power 2n can be written as 5 to the power 2n multiplied by 4 to the power n. As we know that whatever may be the power of 5, it remains same. So it will be 5. Like 5 to the power 2 is 25, 5 to the power 3 is 125. Always we are going to get the ones place as 5. So unit digit will be 5 of 5 to the power 2n multiplied by, if n is odd, then it will be 4. Ones place digit will be 4. Like I can explain you, 4 to the power 1 is 4, 4 to the power 3 is 64. Again we are going to get 4. So this way, when the power is odd, we are going to get the ones place digit of 4 as 4. And when the power is even, then the ones place digit of 4 to the power any even number, then it will be 6. So we can write it as 4 or 6. I can explain you again. If 4 to the power 2, it is 16, and 4 to the power 4 is 256. We are going to get 6 again. So whenever the power of 4 is odd, we get 4 at ones place, and whenever power of 4 is even, we are going to get 6 at ones place. So this will be 5 multiplied by 4 or 5 multiplied by 6. If it is 5 multiplied by 4, it will be 20. And if it is 5 multiplied by 6, it will be 30. It means we are going to get the ones place digit as 0. 20 has ones place 0, and 30 also has ones place 0. So ones place will be 0. We know that when any even number is multiplied to 5, we get 0 at ones place. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, 0. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. We can again get 0. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. We get 0. So whenever any even number is multiplied to 5, the ones place will always be 0. It was very easy question. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 0. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. These are very easy questions and we have to keep the concepts in mind for solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on numbers. Our question is, if n is a natural number, find unit digit of 49 to the power 2n multiplied by 74 to the power n. The given options are option A 8, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4 or 6. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as we have to find the unit digit in calculation 49 to the power 2n multiplied by 74 to the power n. So we take only unit digits. It will be 9 to the power 2n multiplied by 4 to the power n. This seems difficult question, but it's very easy question. We have to remember the property of 4 and 9. 9 to the power odd, then ones place digit will be 9, and 9 to the power even, then ones place digit will be 1, as 9 to the power 1 is 9 and 9 to the power 2, which is even, is 81. 81 has ones place 1. Similarly, 4 to the power odd, it is 4, as 4 to the power 1 is 4, and 4 to the power even, the ones place digit will be 6, as 4 to the power 2 is 4 times 4 is 16, because 2 is even, and we get 6. Here we have to use the same property. 9 to the power 2n, 2n is even, so ones place will be 1, multiplied by 4 to the power n. We don't know whether n is even or odd, so it can be 4 or 6, and 1 time 4 is 4 and 1 time 6 is 6. So our answer will be 4 or 6, and from the given options our answer will be option D, 4 or 6. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the rightmost non-zero digit of 130 to the power 2358? The given options are option A 3, option B 9, option C 1, option D 0. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number can be written as 13 to the power 2358 multiplied by 10 to the power 2358, and we have to find the first or rightmost non-zero digit. So we have only to consider this 13, as 10 to the power 2358 will provide all 2358 zeros. The first non-zero digit will be from 3 of 13. So we write unit digit of 13, which is 3, and we divide 2358 by 4, as we know that when the ones place of any number is 3, then it repeats itself after every fourth power. So we divide 2358 by 4, and for that we have to find the remainder, and we divide only the last two digit 58 by 4, and 14 times 4 is 56. 48 minus 56 is 2, and 3 to the power 2 gives us ones place 9. It was that easy question, and from the given options our answer is option B 9. I hope that you have understood the method of solving such type of question. This was very easy question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 1 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 5 plus, and this continue up to plus 25 to the power 5. The given options are option A 5, option B 7, option C 2, option D 1. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As we know that the unit digit repeats itself after every fourth power, and if we know this, then this question becomes very easy. We will divide the power by 4 and we will find the remainder and put on the given number as power. So our first number will be 1, and whenever 5 is divided by 4, the remainder is always 1. So it will be 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2, plus 3 to the power 1 is 3, plus, and it will continue up to plus 25, and this is AP. And sum of natural numbers or AP here is n by 2 into first digit A plus last digit L, and this way we can find the sum of these numbers. So number of terms are 25 by 2, and first digit is 1 plus last digit is 25. This gives 25 upon 2 multiplied by 26. 1 plus 25 is 26, and 2 cancels 26 for 13 times, and the ones place or unit digit 25 multiplied by 3 or 5 multiplied by 3 will be 15, and it will be 5. The ones place digit will be 5. Otherwise also 25 multiplied by 13 is 325, which gives the ones place digit as 5. This was very easy question, but it looks like difficult one. And if we know the property that every digit repeats itself after every fourth power, and when we divide 5 by 4, the remainder is 1, and we get the solution very easy. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 5. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the digit at ones place of 1 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 plus up to plus 59 to the power 4. The given options are option A 8, option B 7, option C 6, option D 5. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. If the natural numbers have the power 4, then their sum of n terms is given by n upon 30 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into 3n square plus 3n minus 1. This is the formula for sum of natural numbers having power 4 of n terms. Here the number of terms are 59, as it starts from 1 and ends at 59. So a value of n is 59. So I write 59 upon 30 multiplied by n is 59 plus 1 is 60. 59 is value of n plus 1 is 60 multiplied by 2n. 2 times 59 is 118 plus 1 is 119 into 3 multiplied by 59 square plus 3 multiplied by 59 minus 1. Now we can easily find the unit digit. We divide 60 by 30 and 30 times 2 is 60. Now we can easily find the unit digits. We will take the unit digits of all constituent numbers. 59 has unit digit 9 multiplied by 2. 119 has unit digit 9 we take these three numbers into one parenthesis or in one bracket, and 3 has the unit digit 3 multiplied by 59 square has unit digit 9, and the square of 9 is 81, and 81 has the unit digit 1, plus 3 multiplied by unit digit of 59 is 9, minus 1. 9 times 2 is 18, and 8 times 9, 18 has unit digit 8, and 8 times 9 is 72. So the unit digit of 9 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9 is 2, into 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, plus 9 times 3 is 27, which has unit digit 7, minus 1. This gives 2 multiplied by 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. It is 2 multiplied by 9. This gives 9 times 2 is 18, and 1's place of 18 is 8. This way we can easily find the unit digit or digit at 1's place. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 8. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here only formula was involved and we had to use that formula. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the digit at 1's place of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to 99 cube. The given options are option A 0, option B 1, option C 8, option D 9. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the unit digit in the sum of cube of all natural numbers from 1 to 99. The sum of cube of natural numbers is given by n plus 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 2. This is the formula for finding the sum of cube of n natural numbers. Here the value of n is 99, and now we can easily solve this question. N is 99 multiplied by n plus 1, 99 plus 1 is 100, divided by 2 whole square. 2 cancels 100 for 50 times, and this is equal to 99 multiplied by 50 whole square. And we know that 50 contains 0, and 99 times 50 is going to give us the 1's place 0, and the square of 0 is going to be 0. So the unit digit of the given question is 0. It was that easy question. And from the given option, our answer is option A 0. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.